Hi, welcome to the video Download and install Oracle JDK 24 on Windows. I am Nam Hà at code Java.net. Throughout this video, I'd like to help you get started with Java programming by setting up the Java Development Kit for Java version 24 on Windows operating system. You know, JDK or Java Development Kit is the first and foremost software program you need to have on your computer to start the journey of Java programming. Let's understand briefly about Oracle JDK. You know, Oracle JDK is the commercial build for Java Development Kit from Oracle Corporation. It's free for personal development and production use, but businesses should pay for commercial use via Java SC subscription. Oracle JDK is distributed as an archive file as well as installers for Windows operating system such as XE and MSI. So it's very simple and easy to set up Oracle JDK, set up Java Development Kit with Oracle JDK distribution on Windows computer. So you can get started with Java programming very easily. And JDK 24 is a regular update, non-long-term support release, non-LTS release of Java SE. It was released on March the 18th, 2025, and this is the official download page of Oracle JDK. Note that the downloaded file should be checked for integrity with SHA-256 checksum, and the installer will update the system environment variables automatically. So setting up JDK with Oracle installer is very simple and easy on Windows operating system. Okay, now let's download the Windows installer of Oracle JDK version 24. So in the web browser, head over to the official download page at oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads. Technologies/downloads. This is the official download page of Oracle JDK, the commercial distribution of Java Development Kit. You see, JDK is the latest release of the Java SE platform as of March 2025, and JDK 21 is the latest long-term support LTS release of Java SE platform. That means JDK 24 is the regular update. Okay, for Windows, click Windows here and you can see Oracle JDK 24 is distributed as compressed archive file as well as installer. This is XE installer and this is MSI installer. So it's recommended to choose either XE installer or MSI installer for the convenience of setup. Okay, so let me click on this link to download the XE installer of Oracle JDK 24. Okay, download is in progress. It is about 200 megabytes. And you can see next to the download link, there's another link named SHA-256. This link contains the SHA-256 checksum of the installer file. Okay, and after downloading the installer file, we need to verify the integrity of the downloaded file against the published SHA-256 checksum on Oracle website here. Okay, the download is complete, but don't launch the installer immediately. You need to, it's recommended to verify the integrity of the downloaded file first. Okay, so on Windows, open a new command prompt window. So you press the start button and type cmd. Then you can see the batch match is command prompt. Okay, click to open a new command prompt window, and the current directory is my user home directory, and use the cd commands to change the current directory to the downloads directory where the downloaded installer is stored. As you can see here, JDK 24 Windows x64 bin XZ. And to get the SHA-256 check some of this file, use this command search ut dash hash file and then the file name JDK24 and then SHA-256. Okay, you see it prints the SHA-256 hash of the downloaded file. Okay, this is the value and we need to compare against the one on the Oracle website here. Okay, both are the same, both are identical. That means I can safely run the setup program, install a file to set up Java development kit on my Windows computer. Also in the command prompt, if I type Java command here, I got the error message Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means no Java development kit installed on this computer. Okay, so now let's start the installation of Oracle JDK 24. Okay, so click the downloaded file to launch the setup program. Here we go. This is a Java SE Development Kit 24 60-bit setup. Just click Next, and by default it will install JDK onto C drive at this path program files Java JDK 24. Okay, click Next. Okay, and the installation is in progress and very quick. You see, it will automatically update the system environment variables, so you don't have to configure Java environment variables manually. You see, Java SE Development Kit 24 successfully installed. Click Close. Okay, come back to the command prompt here. If you type Java again, still got the error. Java is not recognized. It's because you need to quit the current command prompt and open a new one. Open a new one here. Okay, now type Java. Then you can see it found the Java development kit, and type Java dash version to check the version of the Java virtual machine. And you can see Java version 24 released on 2025 March the 18th. And you can also type Java C dash version to see the Java version of Java compiler. You see it prints Java 24. That means I have successfully installed Oracle JDK Java Development Kit version 24 on my Windows computer, so I can start the journey of Java programming. And if you are curious, open a Windows Explorer and go to C drive, and you can see Java Development Kit is installed under program files Java JDK 24, as you can see here. And you can see under the bin directory there are several library files and executables. The binary runtime of Java Development Kit, as you can see, Java XZ. This is a program for Java virtual machine. Java C, this is a program for Java compiler. And that's my guide about setting up Java Development Kit on Windows computer with Oracle JDK 24 distribution. To sum up, it's recommended to download Oracle JDK installer from its official Java download page at this URL, and you can choose either x64 installer XZ or x64 MSI installer for the convenience of setup. And it's also recommended to verify the integrity of the downloaded file using this search util command on Windows, and by default it will install Java Development Kit onto this directory. And to verify the installation of Oracle JDK, open a new command prompt and type Java dash version and Java C dash version in the command prompt to verify the installation. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.